Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Joe Gas here, and welcome to my first Mac app pack. Today, what I'm going to be doing is reviewing 5 great Mac apps for you guys today. 2 of them are paid, 3 of them are free, and are amazing. So I'm going to be reviewing all 5 of them, and there's going to be a lot more Mac app packs to come. This is the first one. You guys should be expecting more. So please subscribe for more great application reviews. And now I'm going to get into this. So the first app I'm going to be reviewing is called Clean My Mac. Let's see if I can find it in my stacks folder. There it is, Clean My Mac. And what this basically does is it cleans your it pretty much cleans your Mac, guys. What it does is deletes all these random files that the Mac makes or that are already in applications. And as you can see, I have no more extra files because I did a scan. You click scan and then you remove. And what it's going to do is going to first scan all your applications, everything that needs to be removed. When you press remove, it deletes all those random files. So today, this morning, I had 185 gigabytes. When I used this and removed, I'm up to 187. I was at 188 when I did this, but I must have used a gigabyte. So I pretty much removed 3 gigabytes. It's amazing what you can do with this. This is going to be like a monthly thing for me. You can go into preferences, change the language to keep. Just look it over because it's a really great application. I mean, it's amazing. So I'm going to be using this a lot. It's paid. It's $15. Link in the description. Next application is called Bodega. Bodega is the app store for the Mac. So I'm going to check automatically, and it's pretty much an app store for the Mac. It has the new releases, Shopkeeper's Picks, which is obviously the guy who's made it, favorite apps, top free downloads, top paid downloads. It tracks your applications. You could download stuff from it. It has an amazing interface. It's not even funny. Watch what happens when I move the window. You see how those things move? It's like really realistic. It's really cool. And so they have a bunch of categories over here. Let's go. Say we want design and graphics. It has all of these great designing apps. Like, they have so many great categories. Say I want this, just double click it. They have reviews. You could write a review, tell a friend. This is $130. You can download a trial or buy now. When you download, it goes into your applications, and you can click reveal, and it downloads to your Mac. Say you want to search something. I want to search iTunes or whatever, because there's probably something under that category. Everything comes up like that. So, and you could just download it. It's really cool. It's a great app. That's Bodega. Next is Pixelmator. Pixelmator is a stripped down version of Photoshop with an amazing Mac interface. Now, Photoshop is still going to be my main photo editor, but if you really think about it, Photoshop isn't really like a Mac-ish application. You'll see what I'm talking about when I open this. I mean, it's $60, so this is the other paid application. You can create a new image. Choose the dimensions. I'll do an iPhone screen. And you could actually just mess around with this. It's actually really cool what you could do. Let's say I select the brush tool, the pencil tool, or change my color to a different color, like green. I could fill it, select my brush tool. I can add really cool stuff to it. Like, I changed my color to dark blue. It's really nice. You could make text. It's just like Photoshop. Add a new layer, delete it. What's really cool is you could actually take stuff from here, capture it from your eyesight. So if I go to layer, new layer from eyesight, what it's going to do is open up eyesight, And what I can do is like say, press the capture button, and okay, it's gonna actually implement that into the what's it called? Into the document. I can transform, scale it, which means I can mess around with the size. I mean, it's great what you could actually do. So that's pretty much Pixelmator for you guys. Um, yeah, and that's basically it. So, and to save stuff, you go to File, Export. It's great. And so that's Pixelmator. Next is called Himmelbar, which is a status bar application. It actually doesn't have an icon on your dock. When you open it, it goes to your status bar. And it's pretty much an application viewer, application launcher. It has categories, so say you're on like Leopard and you don't have that much good of stacks because you're not on Snow Leopard, you can click here to go to my application, say I want to launch app, or say I want to launch any of these. I just click it. If I want to launch my mail, it knows it's already open, so it goes to my mail. I have developer, which is actually, Xcode, all that stuff, utilities. You could hide all apps, quit all the apps, refresh it. You can quit Himmelbar this way, and it's just great. That's free. The last application is called Bowtie. Now, what Bowtie does is it takes the music that you're playing through iTunes and actually plays it with the Bowtie player, which I prefer way much over iTunes. So there's Bowtie, and I'm going to open that up. Go into my Finder, Applications, Bowtie. And now it's up, and obviously it takes what I have right here. I can go into Preferences and change allow thing to choose spaces behavior, hide when iTunes isn't running. I put hide the dock icon because I don't think it needs a dock icon. It's more of a utility. And I make it so it's a normal window. Basically that means that you could put other windows over it, but if you press it, it overlaps the window. So it's basically a normal window. There's a bunch of themes you could install. I'll put a link to great themes for it in the description. You could choose the shortcut. So if I press Option Shift Space, or Control Shift Space, and press it again, it's gonna play at next track, which is that. I can play it. It's really great. And the thing I don't like about it is that every time you go to, so say you want to scroll to a bunch of songs and you click it a bunch of times, look at all the ground notifications we get. It just never stops, and it's a little bit crazy. And so basically I could rate the songs. It's really impressive. So that's basically it, guys. That is Bowtie for you guys. And that wraps up my Mac App Pack number 1. So stay tuned for number 2 for the more 5 great Mac applications, and I'll see you guys later. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And
it's 11 o'clock.
Have a nice day.